In the spirit of October and Halloween,
there are few who deny at what I do I am the best,
for my talents are renowned far and wide.
When it comes to surprises on the moonlit night,
I excel without ever even trying.
With the slightest little effort of my ghost-like chant,
I have seen grown men give out a shriek.
With the wave of my hand and a well-placed moan,
I have swept the very bravest off their feet.
Yet year after year, it's the same routine, and I grow so weary of the sound of screams, and I, Jack, the Pumpkin King,
have grown so tired
of the same old thing.